Oh, how's it going today there, you two? Well, real winter time has hit up here again in Canada. Look. You guys can tell. You got snow. It's really cold as frig outside, but, you know, that's Canadian winter for you. It came kind of late this year, but, you know, being Canadian, that's what happens, but, kind of having an issue here with the new truck, boys. You've got one major issue that needs to be corrected, but it can be corrected at home. Now, you guys will see. Other than the fact that we're extremely dirty right now, it's too freaking cold to wash the truck, so just ice right up. Oh, the new mud flaps are working well, by the way. I got one more issue to fix. You see how we got white LED lights underneath the mirror? We got white LED lights that come on in your interior cab. We've also got white LED lights in the fog lights, which I know are aftermarket, but those came out of the white truck. So what we're going to do to correct this is I finally got my package from Auxbeamlighting.com. Yes, I got the low and high beam LED light bulbs and the projectors now up here. And they're freaking awesome. I don't know why I kept spending all that money on HID lights all these years. They're just about as equally as bright, but yet I don't get high beam flash hardly at all. So on the other side of things, though, the LED lights are basically meant for projector style headlights. Same with HIDs. Not really meant for the halogen lights, but they're pretty freaking sweet. I also picked these up here too. Hold on, I get my keys out of my pocket. Hit the unlock button. Oh, maybe it won't come on right now. I've got the LED reverse bulbs in the truck now too, so these are halogen before. Now they're a nice bright white like I had in the old 2010 truck. So basically what's inside your kit here, I'll show you guys. Probably got the bulbs in the truck. I'm sure as most of you guys already figured that out. I think I said that. That's all your warranty information. You get a sticker there, and then your bulbs are down the bottom. So anyway, why don't I give you guys a little shot of these lights here, and I'll show you guys what we got now. I'll just turn the switch on. I don't plan on going anywhere with the truck, and it's too cold to do a short little quick start, so yeah. Bong, 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 bong. Might not show up that well in the daytime. I might go out and get you guys some nighttime driving shots. But they're, other than the fact the headlights are dirty, they're like a bright white, like a crystal white almost. You can hear the fans going in there too, because the LED light bulbs have a little fan on the back of them. And I'll show you guys a picture I'll insert in the video here somewhere. And you guys can see what they look like. Not really too hard to install. Actually, why don't I show you guys how to install them since I'm here in the truck now. I'll show you on the passenger side because it's easy to show. Driver's side, the only difference between doing the driver's side and the passenger side on 14 through 18 GMC is the airbox has to come out. You just pull out your airbox here and your headlights up under here. But what you do basically, if I can get you a shot, you just pull this cover off here. That just spins off and your headlights in there. The LED light bulbs are a direct plug and play installation, so it literally took me about 30 seconds to do this side. A little bit longer on the driver's side because I pulled the airbox out, I pulled the strut, the fender brace out, and then your headlights back and behind this little shield here. So it's not too difficult to do. It's pretty quick, but you know, it's definitely nice. I don't really need to adjust the headlights, but some people say they have to do that just to get the beam pattern correct. I might turn mine up a little bit more, but they seem to be okay for now, and I'm not blinding anybody, so everything seems to be a-okay. Now we'll get you guys some nighttime shots here with the bulbs. You guys can see the LED reverse lights, so maybe that's what we'll do. We'll get some driving shots maybe. The sun's going down a little bit here. Now these are going to be our new LED reverse bulbs. See it, my dirty my dirty tail lights here. I've got LED plate lights coming. I have a cheap set that I had for the old truck, but they don't seem to last very long, so I ordered a little 10-pack ones from Auxbeam.com. They're pretty cheap, so they're like $8 or something like that for the entire set. So we'll get you guys a shot of the fog lights and all that jazz on, so you guys can see what the LED lights look like here. Still not quite that dark, but you guys might be able to see there a little bit. Too cold to wash cars today, but you know, I do got a black GMC logo coming for it, front and back, so you guys know me well enough. I like to play with my toys, so haven't done too much on the old 05 there, but you know, it's winter time. It's not very much fun to lay underneath cars and put rusty bolts back in trucks during the winter. So anyway, hope you guys like that little video, and I'm gonna go get the truck warmed up, get something to eat. So I'll see you on the next one.